Let's talk about the journey of a simple sandwich loaf. What seems like an ordinary slice of bread actually begins with a complex, highly orchestrated process, one that combines tradition, technology, and a relentless pursuit of consistency. It all starts with massive tankers delivering flour, milled to exact specifications. These trucks arrive at dawn carrying tons of flour sourced from carefully selected wheat, each batch tailored for the bakery's unique needs. The flour is unloaded through sealed pipes into towering silos, giant automated storage bins that can hold enough flour to bake thousands of loaves. These silos are climate-controlled, keeping the flour fresh and free from contaminants. Before any flour is used, samples are sent to an on-site lab for rigorous testing. Protein, moisture, and ash content are all checked. Technicians analyze every batch, ensuring it meets the bakery's strict standards for texture and taste. Only flour that meets strict standards moves forward. Consistency is everything. If a batch doesn't pass, it's rejected, no matter how small the flaw. Water, yeast, salt, sugar, and oils are also stored separately, each undergoing their own quality checks. The yeast arrives refrigerated, kept at the perfect temperature to ensure it's alive and active for baking. Salt and sugar are checked for purity, with samples tested for contaminants and precise mineral content. Even the smallest impurity can affect the final loaf, and nothing is left to chance. Every ingredient is tracked, logged, and verified before it ever enters the mixing process. The factory's computer system knows the exact recipe and draws precise amounts from each silo. Every batch is programmed, ensuring the same results every time, no matter the day or season. Ingredients travel through pipes, converging in giant mixers. These mixers are engineered to blend massive quantities of dough with perfect uniformity, far beyond what any home kitchen could achieve. This automated hands-off approach ensures hygiene and precision. Human contact is minimized, reducing the risk of contamination and guaranteeing a clean, safe product. Every step is about eliminating variables for a repeatable, safe process. Sensors and cameras monitor every stage, catching even the slightest deviation. Once approved, ingredients are ready for action. They're staged and queued, waiting for their turn in the carefully timed production cycle. The computer-controlled system measures out everything for a batch that can weigh over a ton. Each ingredient is weighed with incredible accuracy, down to the gram. When it's time, the system draws the right amounts and sends them to the mixers. The process is seamless, with ingredients flowing like clockwork. No human hands touch the ingredients, just a seamless flow from silo to starter. This level of automation is what makes industrial bread making so efficient and reliable. This is industrial bread making, a dance of machinery and food science. Every machine, every sensor, and every line of code works together in perfect harmony. The process is designed for speed, safety, and consistency. Workers oversee the operation, ready to intervene if anything goes off script. But mostly, the machines run the show. Every loaf starts with perfect ingredients and perfect measurements. This attention to detail is what allows millions of loaves to taste exactly the same, day after day. The journey from raw flour to dough begins here. It's a transformation that happens on a massive scale, yet with the care of a master baker. It's the first step in transforming simple ingredients into the bread we know. The mixing process is where science meets tradition, and the magic of bread making truly begins. And it all happens on a scale your grandmother's kitchen could only dream of. From silo to starter, the journey is a testament to human ingenuity and our love for the humble loaf. Welcome to the mixing room, the heart of every bakery, where the magic of bread making truly begins. Here, raw ingredients finally unite, setting the stage for transformation. Industrial spiral mixers, towering and powerful compared to anything found at home, blend flour, water, yeast, and salt with remarkable precision. These machines are designed to handle massive quantities, ensuring consistency in every batch. The process begins gently. A corkscrew-shaped hook rotates slowly, allowing flour to absorb water and yeast to disperse evenly. This careful hydration is essential for proper gluten development later on. As the mixer speeds up, the dough transforms. Gluten strands stretch and strengthen, creating the elastic structure that will trap gases and give bread its signature chew. Temperature is carefully controlled. Chilled water is added to keep the dough cool, preventing the yeast from fermenting too quickly and ensuring a slow, flavorful rise. After about 10 minutes of mixing, the dough becomes smooth, elastic, and slightly tacky to the touch. Bakers check its consistency, making sure it's just right before moving on. The massive bowl tilts, pouring out hundreds of kilograms of dough into a waiting trough. This is a pivotal moment, as the dough is now ready for its first rest. The trough is wheeled into a climate-controlled resting area, where temperature and humidity are carefully monitored for optimal fermentation. Here, yeast feasts on the dough's natural sugars, producing alcohol for flavor and carbon dioxide for rise. This fermentation is the secret behind bread's complex taste. Tiny bubbles begin to form and expand, creating the airy texture and open crumb that bakers strive for in every loaf. This resting phase is crucial. It allows flavors to deepen and the dough's structure to strengthen, setting the foundation for the final product. As fermentation continues, the dough grows lighter, more voluminous, and full of life, ready for the next stage. Once this stage is complete, the dough is divided into portions, each destined to become a loaf or roll. In just a short time, simple ingredients have transformed into living dough, alive with yeast, flavor, and possibility. After resting, the dough is ready for division. The trough tips dough into a divider, which portions it with machine precision. Each piece is weighed. Only those within tight tolerances move on. The dough pieces are ragged, so they head to the rounder. The rounder shapes each piece into a smooth ball, sealing in gases. This step ensures even baking and a uniform crumb. The rounded dough balls now look identical, lined up on the conveyor. Creating surface tension helps the dough rise upwards, not outwards. Uniformity here means every loaf will bake the same. The dough rests briefly before final shaping. Precision at this stage sets the foundation for perfect loaves. The dough balls need a short rest after rounding. This is the intermediate proof. They travel through a multi-layered climate-controlled chamber. Here, gluten relaxes, making the dough pliable for shaping. Temperature and humidity are tightly controlled to keep dough soft and yeast active. The journey lasts about 10 minutes. During this time, the dough becomes softer and slightly puffier. Yeast continues producing gas, gently expanding the dough. This pause is crucial for elasticity and handling. After proofing, the dough is ready for its final loaf shape. The process ensures the dough can be shaped without tearing. Every stage is about preparing for the perfect bake. Now the dough balls are shaped into their final loaf form. They pass through a molder which flattens and rolls them into tight cylinders. This rolling creates the loaf's internal grain and texture. Pressure boards seal the seam and stretch the dough to pan size. Meanwhile, baking pans are cleaned and lightly oiled. Dough cylinders drop precisely into waiting pans. Sensors confirm every pan is filled. The filled pans move in neat rows toward the final proofer. The dough now has its iconic shape, but needs one last rise. This synchronization of dough and pans is industrial choreography at its best. The stage is set for the dough's final transformation. The filled pans enter the final proofer, a warm, humid chamber designed to create the perfect environment for dough to rise. This stage is crucial as it allows the yeast to work its magic, producing carbon dioxide and alcohol that help the dough expand. Here, the dough rests for about an hour, gradually swelling and stretching to fill the pan. The yeast continues to ferment, developing flavor and texture as the dough becomes lighter and more airy. High humidity keeps the crust soft, preventing it from forming too soon and allowing for maximum expansion. This moisture is essential for achieving a tender, open crumb in the finished loaf. The dough nearly doubles in size, becoming delicate, airy, and full of tiny bubbles. At this point, it's ready for the transformative heat of the oven. Next, the pans travel into a massive tunnel oven, riding a conveyor that moves them through carefully controlled heat zones. The oven's temperature zones trigger a rapid oven spring, causing the dough to rise dramatically before the crust sets. This is when the loaf's final shape and volume are determined. Inside, starch is gelatinized and proteins set, locking in the loaf's structure. Meanwhile, the Maillard reaction works on the surface, browning the crust and creating that irresistible aroma. The result is golden, aromatic loaves with a tender crumb and a crisp, flavorful crust, bread at its best. Each loaf bakes for about 25 minutes, a carefully timed process that ensures consistency and quality in every batch. Precise heat control is essential, guaranteeing even baking from the center of the loaf to the outer crust. The loaves emerge perfectly baked, their golden crusts signaling they're ready for the next step in their journey. The science of baking transforms simple dough into delicious bread, combining chemistry, heat, and time to create a staple enjoyed around the world. Fresh from the oven, loaves are hot and fragile. They're depanned by machines, sometimes with suction, sometimes by inversion. Empty pans are cleaned and prepped for the next batch. Loaves are spaced on conveyors and sent to a spiral cooling tower. Here, filtered air cools them gradually over 60 to 90 minutes. Cooling too fast cracks the crust, too slow risks mold. As loaves cool, steam condenses and the crumb firms up. This process gives bread its familiar texture and strength. Only fully cooled loaves can be sliced cleanly. The cooling tower is essential for quality and shelf life. Once cooled, the bread is ready for slicing and packaging. The journey from oven to slice is carefully managed. Cooled loaves head to the slicer, a machine with dozens of razor-sharp blades. In seconds, each loaf is sliced perfectly with no tearing. Sliced loaves may pass through a metal detector for safety. Next, they move to the bagging machine. Mechanical fingers or air jets open bags. Loaves are pushed in quickly. Bags are pre-printed with branding and best before dates. The open end is sealed with a clip or twist tie, creating an airtight package. The process is fast, over 60 loaves per minute. Every loaf is identical, fresh, and ready for shelves. Automation ensures hygiene and consistency. The finished loaf looks just like what you find in stores. From slicing to sealing, every step is engineered for freshness. Even after packaging, quality control continues. Random loaves are pulled for inspection. Crumb, height, slicing, and seal are all checked. Any issues are traced back through computerized records. Continuous monitoring ensures millions of loaves meet high standards. Approved loaves are grouped into trays, stacked on pallets, and wrapped for transport. Robotic arms often handle stacking for efficiency. Pallets move to dispatch, loaded onto trucks for delivery. Logistics are timed so bread reaches stores within hours of baking. The process is a 24/7 operation of precision and coordination. From flour tanker to supermarket shelf, every step is optimized. Next time you make a sandwich, remember the journey behind each slice. It's a marvel of science, engineering, and teamwork.